Today we are firing up our pellet grill and making some smoked tofu. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is the first time you're here. I'm Tara, a nurse practitioner that loves sharing easy to make recipes and tips and tricks so that you can make restaurant quality food at home. Today we are smoking tofu on our pellet grill. I've got a Traeger, absolutely love it. I've already made 2 other recipes on my Traeger grill and I will link them in the description box below in case you want to check them out after today's episode. If you don't have a Traeger grill like I do, you can use any other type of grill, charcoal, or what have you, or even just use an air fryer or your oven. It will still turn out beautifully. Be sure you stay all the way through the end of the video. I know you guys love those recipe cards. So there's a recipe card at the end you could take a screenshot of for easy reference. If you're excited for smoked tofu, give this video a big thumbs up. Let's head to the kitchen and get our tofu ready.
We're gonna press our tofu, so I'm using Extra Firm and I'm wrapping it in paper towels and then placing my cast iron skillet on top for about 30 minutes.
First thing that you need to do when you come out to get your grill going is first open the lid. Then you wanna make sure that the switch in the back is turned on. Next, we are going to turn the Traeger on.
On this model, you just press ignite. And guys, I know it's telling me to clean my grill. I have got to do that.
So now we just wait for the grill to warm up.
I don't know why, but I find it so enjoyable to watch the smoke rolling off of this. Then you simply close the lid. In a small bowl, add in some chili powder, some onion powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, turmeric. That's an optional ingredient, but I like it because you can't really taste it and it adds all of those anti-inflammatory benefits. So now I am unwrapping the tofu. Ashley, one of my awesome subscribers, had this made for me. Thanks, Ashley. So here I'm just slicing the tofu up and I'm doing a very poor job of it, as you can tell from here. It's definitely not even, but that's what I love about this recipe because it doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm just kind of cutting this into chunks at first and then I'm slicing it into thin slices. You can do anything that you like. We're gonna add some cornstarch. My hand I have greased with olive oil. This will help the tofu not to stick to the pan. So stick it in the cornstarch, then in the dry rub mixture. This is such an easy and quick recipe. And I'm wrapping the bottom part with aluminum foil because it's just gonna make it so easy. And now they are good to go.
The grill is now 225 degrees, so it is time to get this delicious tofu onto the grill. So come in close. I decided to keep it on this pan because that's just gonna be a lot easier to leave it on that pan. Let's set the alarm for 1 hour so that we can come out and start putting that delicious glaze on the tofu. I love using the Traeger app, but if you missed either of the last 2 episodes, maybe you're not aware of this app if in fact you do have a Traeger. If not, you can skip ahead in the timestamp below. I will insert a video clip right here so that you can see. We're gonna set the timer.
So you simply press this button and set it for the time that you want. And when you press confirm, it starts to count down.
So I will meet you back here in 1 hour and we can start putting that delicious tequila lime glaze on our smoked tofu.
Let's make this tequila lime glaze. So in a pot on a stove, we're gonna add in some coconut sugar. Alternatively, you can use brown sugar. Tequila, I'm using this tequila because it's what I have. Give everything a good stir. Then we're gonna add in the zest and juice of 1 lime. How easy is that? Then all you need to do is bring it to a gentle simmer.
My timer just went off, so now it's time for us to start applying this delicious tequila lime glaze to our tofu. So let's open up this grill and take a look at it. Ooh!
So we're gonna apply just a light glaze to the top side. Then we're gonna close the lid.
Let's set our alarm for 15 minutes. Then we will flip the tofu over and raise the temperature and apply 1 final coating of glaze. Well, we might glaze it 1 more time.
Just like before, press this button here and then set it for 15 minutes. Hit the confirm button and it will start.
Our timers just went off, so I thought we would have a toast. because our delicious smoked tofu is almost ready. Cheers. By the way, this is a delicious dry red, a Cap Franc actually. Let me set it over here because I don't want heat on it. So now we're going to actually rotate this 180 degrees and apply another layer of glaze, and we're going to flip it over.
So we're going to rotate the pan 180 degrees. This is just a good practice to do because it more evenly cooks it. Flip over all of the tofu, and then we're going to apply a layer of glaze to that side. Then we're going to close the lid.
Now we're going to set the Traeger to a higher temperature. So going back into the Traeger app.
Now we're going to press this button so we can change the grill temperature to 450 degrees. If yours doesn't go to 450, just set it to the highest temperature that it goes to. Then you're going to press confirm. Now press this button there again, and we're going to make the timer for 20 minutes. I absolutely love using this app. I know I've said it before, but I really, really do love it.
I will see you back here in 20 minutes, and our delicious tofu should be ready.
I took it off the grill, brought it in the house, and added one more layer of this delicious glaze to both sides of this tofu. Topped it with a little bit of fresh parsley and served it up. This meal prepped beautifully. Let me know any other ideas you have for recipes in the comments below.
Looking for more vegetarian dinner ideas? Click the playlist on the screen, and I will see you over there. Bye, guys.